Hi, we're here at the HCA Hospice at the Outram Community Hospital in Singapore, and they have just installed a PRESSALIT SCT 3000 in this bathroom. And they just completed a briefing with the users, okay? And they have actually told us that showering their patients on site is a new initiative. They will roll out and they are operational in July. Okay, so their clients consist of a mix of some rather ambulant ones, and there are also some who need to be showered lying down. So the SCT 3000 is perfect for this setting. Here you can see that they have a two-side access. Alright, and with the shower head here, they are now considering lengthening this so that they're able to shampoo their clients on this end. Okay, and then they can also move over to this side to work. Alright, and of course, they also have been briefed on the use of the SCT 3000's latest design safety rail. Safety first under all circumstances. So even if the user is gonna step away for just 2-3 seconds, the safety rail must be used. Right? And of course, if we are intending to shampoo their clients on this end, then of course they can utilize the headrest feature. And to fold it back up to save space, you bring it back up again. You can adjust it all the way down low enough for wheelchair transfer, which is important in an institutional healthcare setting like this. And it goes to this side. Or during showering, the user will need to raise it to a height that is comfortable to him or her. In this case, for me, this is about right. Okay? So, any further questions or queries on this product, please contact www.activeaging.com.sg. Thank you and out.